Scene script. Ever pondered on the idea of making money online? A concept that might have seemed far-fetched or risky a couple of decades ago is now a thriving reality for many. The digital world has opened up a plethora of opportunities for anyone with a skill, passion, or idea to monetize it, right from the comfort of their homes. So where to start? It begins with identifying your skills and interests. Are you a wordsmith, a tech wizard, or an artistic soul? Maybe you have a flair for marketing or a passion for teaching. Pinpointing your strengths and interests is your first step towards making money online. Freelancing is a swift way to transform your skills into cash. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect skilled freelancers with clients seeking services. Craft a compelling profile, bid on projects, and deliver top-notch work to build your reputation. Perhaps you have a passion for a particular topic and love sharing your knowledge. Starting a blog or YouTube channel could be your ticket to online income. Create valuable content, build an audience, and monetize your platform through various methods such as ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Affiliate marketing can also be a lucrative avenue. Earn a commission by promoting products or services and making sales through your referral link. Find companies relevant to your niche and start promoting. For those who have a knack for crafting or sourcing unique products, selling them online could be a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and Shopify are your digital marketplace. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and excellent customer service are key to standing out. Are you a subject matter expert with knowledge to share? Consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing offer a space for your digital courses and books. Freelance services aren't limited to traditional platforms. Offer your services directly to clients through your website or social media channels. A professional portfolio and networking are crucial in this process. Possess expertise in a specific field. Offer consulting or coaching services online. Testimonials, case studies, and certifications can help establish your credibility. For the financially savvy, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be a lucrative endeavor. But remember, it requires knowledge, research, and risk management. If you've built a sizable following on social media, monetize your influence through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency, high-quality content, and engagement are key. Lastly, many companies offer remote work opportunities across various industries, providing another avenue to earn online. In summary, making money online is a venture that requires identifying your skills and interests, exploring platforms that connect you with opportunities, and delivering quality work or products. Whether it's freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, selling products, creating digital courses, offering consulting services, or investing, there's a world of opportunity waiting in the digital landscape.